Hello guys, I know my last short kinda blew up. I might put a picture of it right here, but like, I probably won't, honestly. I have to say, thank you for like the 200 views. Like, bro, what the hell? I don't know if that was one person or not, but like, yeah, the last short got quite a lot of views, so I'm gonna do another one and you guys will absolutely love it. So basically what's going on here is I'm gonna show you how to do this. You see this? I know y'all like special snowboards, so boom. For free, no money, no money. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna happen like, probably this is gonna be open in the future, but I'm gonna show you how to get early access to it. Yeah. But, you know. Guys, we're now in the OG map, and pretty much, we're gonna be like glitching through. So I have some teleport guns, just to save money, you know. And spoiler, this is gonna be a cutscene for the future, I think. And sadly, it might be the end of the game cutscene, or it could just be a 2026 reflection. You know. Ugh, flip. Pretty sure I might need 2 of them. I probably wouldn't, but like, you know. Okay, so yeah, I recommend guns for this. What type of guns? Teleport guns. But I'm pretty sure you don't actually need them that much. So, you know. I'm just gonna go into this corner. And then shoot. Yep, I'm out the map. You see that? That's the entire cutscene thing. Well, it's not really a cutscene. Well, it actually is at the end. But it's an obby. And it gets you coins. So you know. Yeah. So like this, you're gonna go through here. It's gonna give you company coins for everything. Boom. Crap. So I might just... Oh, I can't reach it here. So I don't know why, but they've already made this. They've already made this, even though they haven't released it to the game yet. And a lot of people already know about it, actually. But just for those people who don't know about it, that's what this video is for. Okay guys, so it says devs only, so I'm pretty sure, like, you know, we just